Okay, pencils down, eyes up. Need you to open your folder to space. It's on page 11 of your Elements of Art packet. Circle the definition at the top. Super focus on the definition. 1, 2, 3. Shh. We are going to read that definition together, starting with the word space. And begin. Space, an element of art that indicates area in a drawing, positive or negative, and or the feeling of depth in a two-dimensional work of art. Very good. Now below that is another test question. I want you to make asterisks, and yes, I do mean asterisks, the stars. Put an oval around it, a happy face, arrows, whatever you have to do. Remember this one and read along with me. Ready? Begin. When creating space with overlapping and diminishing sizes, vertical placement must always be used. However, vertical placement can work all by itself. Our first example is creating space with overlapping. Overlapping and vertical placement. It's the first space.
Watch examples first, please.
Begin by drawing a horizon line. You're not drawing right now, you're watching. The horizon line is where the sky meets the ground. You must draw the horizon line. It's not optional. It's a context clue. It lets us know what we're looking at. Very important, the horizon line. If you don't draw the horizon line on the test, no credit. I'm sorry, no credit. So for this example, we're going to use 3 skulls overlapping. And this is what I'm talking about when I say when creating space with overlapping, you must use vertical placement. The object lowest in the composition must be in front. So begin by drawing, and right now I want you to be watching. Don't start yet. I'll play the entire video again for you. So begin by making 3 ovals that are overlapping. Draw guidelines for the eyes, nose, and mouth. It's half, half, and half for the eyes, nose, and mouth. And then I just noticed that 2 of the skulls are too close to the same distance from the bottom. Good thing you use light lines. I can erase. So I'm going to make one of my skulls really close. He's going off the edge of the page. After the placement of the skulls is correct, draw the details and erase out your extra lines. Make sure the skulls are not transparent. So you can lightly draw in the entire skull and then erase out where one is in front of the other. But it's very important that they are not transparent. They have to be opaque skulls, not transparent. Once you have them placed where you like them, with your light lines, then darken in your lines. Okay, your turn. Create space with overlapping. Use 3 skulls. Use light lines so that if you place them in the wrong place, you can erase it. Draw your guidelines for your eyes, your nose, and mouth. And make sure that you do not create transparent skulls. They must be opaque.